Good morning, I'm Cheryl and welcome to PIF's Coffee Chat session. Today we're with Eugene, one of the elites from Antz. So Eugene, could you share with us how long you've been working with Antz?
Okay, so I first started off with Antz last year in summer. So with Antz, mostly what I've been dealing with is preparing the information memorandums as well as pitch decks and teasers for all our SAP clients as well for the M&A as well as IPO clients. So that's what I usually do on a day-to-day basis.
Okay, and what have you learned during your term here?
I think especially at Antz, here we deep dive and understand about very diverse business models. So one day can be on F&B, the other day can be on manufacturing. And there's so many different type of business models that I feel that this is something new that I haven't really been able to touch base on.
Okay. Maybe you could just share with us, one of the IPO case studies that you might have came across.
Okay, so maybe one IPO case study that comes to mind is probably the Haidilao Internationals. So Haidilao is a global, fast-growing Chinese company, and it's founded in 1994, as well as listed in 2018 on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange with a valuation of about USD 12 billion. So it leads the hot pot industry with its unique dining experience, and I'm sure that everybody knows its customer-centric approach. So for operating metrics, Haidilao also for the financial year ending 2023, its revenue was mainly generated through its restaurant operations, about 95%, and the rest is about 2.5% from delivery, and lastly about 2% from the sales of their condimental products as well as food ingredients. So Haidilao has also performed exceptionally well in 2023, where its profit has surged to about USD 834 million, up from USD 255 million in 2022, with its profit margins improving from 4.4% to about 11%. So this is mainly driven from the recovery in the average table turnover rate.
So Eugene, out of the 5 business models, right, which model do you think that Haidilao uses?
In my opinion, I think that Haidilao adopts the brand business model.
Like, what is so interesting about Haidilao's business model?
Okay, so for Haidilao business model, it's exciting because there's several key components such as their customer-centric service, where it's renowned for its exceptional customer service, such as the unique features such as free manicures, shoe polishing, board games while customer wait. It has also been able to integrate technology into their business model, where they help to enhance the efficiency and customer experience. AI and robotics are also often used in their food preparation and service, helps to streamline the operations and of course reduce their labor costs. As well as the supply chain control, where Haidilao has established a strong supply chain network through its subsidiary, also known as the Ehai International, as well as the brand diversification, where it's also diversified its brand through introducing new restaurant brands and dining experiences. Lastly, it has also internationally expanded, where it has expanded through their restaurants in the United States, Japan, Singapore, which has reduced the reliance in the Chinese market.
Okay, could you probably share some of the unique selling propositions of Haidilao?
So for the USP of Haidilao, I can segregate it into mainly about 3 to 4 points. So first is their exceptional customer service, their technical use, their mystery client reviews, and lastly on their employee empowerment. So for exceptional customer service, it's no doubt that Haidilao has one of not the best restaurant standards. For technical use, I've already mentioned about the AI as well as the ordering system. And for the mystery client reviews, it's also known that Haidilao dispatches about at least 15 mystery client reviews to each restaurant quarterly. So they help to look at certain client reviews, their service quality, their food quality, and lastly on their restaurant and environment. So this is especially crucial for a company like Haidilao to have continuous improvement. And so lastly is on employee empowerment, where Haidilao adopts a bottom-up approach driven that helps to align the financial interests of the restaurant managers with the company's success. So this is exceptionally important when managers are encouraged to propose new restaurant sites as well as are involved in the training of new managers. So this empowerment is important where it helps to retain talented employees as well to drive the company's expansion.
Okay, alright, thank you so much for your time.